I release the belief in limitation or settling for less. I remember my connection to the source of all that is, what once felt small or restricted no longer defines my place. I stand within a greater field where possibility takes shape. I no longer shrink my vision or doubt what I can claim. Awareness opens wider as I recognize my place. I am aligned with abundance, with the source that forms all things, what creates and sustains the world. All stone moves through me. I allow the best to meet me without guilt or defense. I recognize my unity with the origin of existence. Nothing asks me to diminish or deny what I can be. Understanding lifts the pattern of unnecessary humility. What flows through all creation flows equally through me. Difference exists only in expression, not in quality. I am aligned with abundance, with the source that forms all things, what creates and sustains the world. All stone moves through me. I allow the best to meet me without guilt or defense. I recognize my unity with the origin of existence. The origin of existence. I accept my rightful place within creation's flow. From this understanding, all good things grow.